If you've been scrolling through listings late at night, wondering if you could ever actually buy a home, but you haven't called anyone because you're afraid of being sold to, then this channel is for you. I'm Ashley Courville, and I built the complete home experience for one reason: to give you the truth about how buying a home really works before anyone tries to rush you into a house that you're not ready for. After 21 years in the mortgage world, I've seen the same story over and over. Buyers calling a realtor first, falling in love with a house, and then realizing they have no idea how to pay for it. They end up stressed, embarrassed, or worse, locked into something that doesn't actually fit their life. So I flipped the process. Before you ever walk into a showing, you deserve to understand the money, the strategy, and the plan. So here's the truth. Realtors want you to call them first, but your lender is the person who helps you understand the money, the credit, and your buying power. So that should be your first call. Think about it. You wouldn't shop for a car without knowing your budget. So why would you shop for a home without knowing what you can truly afford? Now, I'm not anti-agent. I work with amazing realtors every day. But your realtor should come second to your financial plan, not the other way around. So here's what we believe at the Complete Home Experience: education before pressure. You deserve to understand what you're signing before you are ever handed a pen. Clarity over confusion. We break down your numbers in plain English so you know exactly what's possible. And confidence over fear. We walk beside you from pre-approval to keys, so no step ever feels like a surprise. It isn't about selling you alone. It's about building a plan that fits your life, not the other way around. So here's what your journey looks like with us. Step one, we start with a conversation. No credit pull, no pressure. Just to talk about your goals and where you are today. Once you're ready, we move on to step two, which is building that pre-approval. And that means I have to verify your income, review your credit, and map out your budget. Step three, you'll meet with one of our trusted realtor partners when you're ready to find the right home with a strategy that matches them numbers. And step four, from offer to closing, we'll keep you informed, not in the dark. It's the process we call the complete home experience, because every part of it works together to get you from uncertainty to home ownership without the chaos. So maybe you've been told you're not ready, or maybe you're scared of rejection, or maybe you just don't trust the system anymore. And honestly, I get that. But buying a home is personal, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to have a plan. So my team and I built this space so you can learn without being sold to, ask questions without judgment, and move at your pace. If you're ready to finally understand the process, not guess, not hope, and certainly not stress, let's start here. Download your free Complete Home Buyer Roadmap. It's like the 7 steps that are going to take you from pre-approval to keys in hand. It's the same process we use for every client. And then when you're ready, schedule your home buyer strategy call. It's free. We'll review your numbers, your goals, and what your next best move is together. Because this isn't just about buying a house, it's about building a life with clarity and confidence and the right team beside you.